Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm continue my JavaScript interview session series. So in today's session, I will discuss about what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. So I'm sharing my screen and let's continue the session. And before starting this session, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. So let's start with the definition. Then from practical, I will show you the exact difference between them. Okay, so whenever you have an array or an object, and in that time you have to, if you want to copy that uh, object or array, in that time this shallow copy and deep copy comes into picture. Okay, so I my more focus is on interview. So first I will tell you the definition, and after that I will show you through the example so that you remember this answer. Okay, so shallow copy create a new object, but it only create copies at the top level properties. Okay, if any of the properties or object are nested, then they are linked to the uh, reference of the original one. I think that by this definition you got somehow confused, but I will show you through practicals, then you will get better understanding. Okay. Now, what is deep copy? So, deep copy create a completely independent clone of that original object. Even that object got copied, so any changes do not affect to the others. Okay, so this is like pure copy. This deep copy is a pure copy, where this shallow copy, it only copies the top level of the element. If you if you change any properties inside the original object, then uh, in the nested one, then in the shallow copy, it will uh, it will reflect the same one. Okay, so I am going live, and from here I will show you the difference first. Okay, I will inspect. I can show you in a terminal also, but this look more good, so that's why I'm showing you here. So now see here, if I write like see let original is equal to, I am creating one object. Okay, so name, wait for none. Okay, now this is the name. Now in the name, like courses content, and okay, here in the courses I have to mm, backend, 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 Node.js. Okay, now this is our original code. Okay, now how do we do the shallow copy? So as in my previous video I showed about a spread operator. So here to copy this array or object, I will use a spread operator. So I will write like let shallow copy, and here I will give three dot and that original. Okay, now here first I will print this one, console.log shallow copy. Okay, and here also original. Directly here also I will node index.js. Now see Here it is showing the first one. This one is the original one. Original. If I show you here also, yeah, see. You can see here. Here it is so much thing, but see here, this is the original one, and this one is the shallow one. Okay, both are coming same. Okay, here so much things are coming, so it's better to show here only. Here I will again give that command. See, now here original is this one and shadow is this one. And now here I will change some property in the shallow copy. Okay, so see here I will do shallow copy dot name is equal to this, and dot what is the courses dot backend Java. Okay, now I will try to print this original one. Okay, now console.log original. Now see the changes here. Here I will changed shallow. Okay, now see here. Either I will comment this and see the differences. I have done the changes in the shallow copy only, but here I am checking in the original one. Now see, in the original one also it got changed. So this is the definition. A shallow copy create a new object, but it only copies the top level properties. If any of the properties of object nested, if any of those properties object are nested, then they are linked to the reference of the original one. Okay, so they are not like copying the whole thing, they take the reference of the original one. So if you do the changes in the copy one also, then in the shallow one also it got changed. Okay, now this is a shallow one. Okay, now if I do the changes in the deep one, see here, for how to do the deep copy. So for that we have to first stringify that object and then parse that one. So deep copy, and then this JSON dot stringify, because this is a object. So now this original. Okay, now I will first print this. Where this gone? Console dot log deep copy. Now see what it will print. Yeah, see in the deep copy, the whatever the change thing is there, that only shows. But now if I commented this one and commented this one also. Okay, what is the issue here? Expected something. Oh, no. Now I will try to see here. Node.js is coming. Okay. Now if I have to, this is one is the deep one. Okay. Now if I do the changes in the deep copy dot courses dot backend is equal to Java. And now again, when I try to print the original one, console.log deep copy original. Okay, now see the result. Now see in, okay, here this one again, and okay, here I have done three places. First, before this, after this, and in the original one. So first one is Node.js. In the deep copy, I have done changes for the backend. Here it's showing the changes, but in the original one, it is not reflecting anything. That means, as I said in the definition, even the object got copied, so changes not affected to the other. Okay, so that means that here that object are completely independent, like this the original object and the deep copy, there is no dependency between each other. Okay, so if in interview they ask what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy, just say like a shallow copy only duplicate the top level object, while a deep copy recursively copies all the level. Okay, and creating fully independent object. I will write this definition, or that's it. Like a shallow copy only duplicates the top level, while the deep copy recursively copies all the level. Okay, and we create this shallow copy by using a spread operator, or we can use by some other way also, but for your reference just I'm saying. And for this, how do we create the deep copy? So for that, first we have to stringify that object, then by using parsing we can do this. Either we can do by structured clone way. Okay, and there is one more question asked in the interview, like why should we avoid shallow copy sometime? So because if like object are nested properties, so both original copy and copy will point out the same inner object, and this will cause some issues. So that's why. Okay. So that's all about this video. If you like this conversation, please like and comment on my video. Thank you so much.